Hello everyone, this is Cooper from CSB Outdoors. This is day 4. Yeah, day 4 of Rise. What is this one? Ravens Ridge. We're doing Ravens Ridge right now. And it looks pretty cool. I don't remember the last time I did it, but
we're in Moncton, I think.
Yeah, Moncton. Yeah, I think it's Moncton.
Look, there's not a cloud in the sky. There's actually not.
I hope you know that there is clouds in the sky right now.
Oh, yeah.
We just can't see them because they're beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. Still is clouds.
Wait, I'm oh, so look that way.
Yeah, I see that cloud.
No, you don't. Hurry up.
Says you. Let's go. Are you gonna be nice to me?
Please don't push me. Please don't.
You're mean to me. You're going in that.
Please don't push me.
All right, I'm joking. I won't push her in there. Is considered as is very it's focused on looking more like unnatural and more, I don't know, put together by people instead of what nature leaves. So there's this sign talking about the nature area. Here's the trails. I'll come right back down to where we are. Another nature cons.
Nature reserve.
Yeah, it's not the same as the other hikes, but it looks cool. It definitely, I don't think it's gonna take that long. It's gonna be pretty easy because it's all looking pretty flat. But what trail are we going on?
The trail along the top of the ridge is closed just past the first that we took. All other trails are being open. Advertising ravens are raising their young this time.
All right, so I guess that this, what is that? Glasses. All right, come on, Stink. So the hike is closed, so we can't exactly get to the summit, but we'll be able to get the hike done, get all the views and everything from how pretty it is out here. Viewing point of this walk. Very, very pretty out here. Just like a pond swampish thing. It's very pretty over here. Alex is taking the pictures for us. All right, now we have to go the ridge trail. So now we are gonna go back the way we came from to get onto a different trail because this one was just a dead end. So right now we've made it to trail sign. We either go up or to the right for the ridge loop, or we could go back to the parking area, which is not what we're gonna do. Where are we going?
What do you choose?
Come on, up or down?
I don't know.
You gotta tell me.
I can't. You choose.
Up or down?
Wherever the animal.
We're going up near the animal. We're deciding to go up into the woods. Right there's a chipmunk. He's right there. You wanna be my friend? He did not want to be my friend. Alright, we're gonna continue the hike. Another cool animal. Mr. Millipede right here. Swimming around. Wanna hold him? Hold him. He won't get you, Elle. He's up in a ball.
I do not like him.
He's very cool. I'm gonna set him right back down. Okay, good buddy. Let me get these things out of here. Oh wow, man, that was impressive. What? We're finding structures out here. Don't know exactly what it was that was built, but there was something built up here. It's very cool. Here, we'll quickly go up here and then we'll go look at the oven. Definitely a very, very, very small hike. We are already at the reachable summit without going off of trail, because right up here they have the rest of the ridge trail is marked off until June 15th because the bobcats and the ravens having their babies. Sorry, these bugs were biting the back of my knees and then my knees itch. But yeah, no dogs past that point, no humans past that point. So, in the span of 30 minutes, we have made it up here. See if I can get you guys a better view. Bless you. It's not that much of a view because of all these trees. That's also because we can't get to the actual top of it. But it's cool. Now we just gotta go look at the oven, which is a really big rock apparently. So we are now to what they call the oven. Yeah, we're gonna just stay down here because I don't want to hike up that. Come down here, easier entrance. Okay, that is actually so cool. It is? You lying. Alex is telling me that it's warm up here. Yeah, no, it's cooler in there than out here. You know what that is? Yes. So this right here is the oven. Looks like, oh my gosh, they are attacking the back of my knees. The oven is pretty cool. There's a sign down at the bottom that will read about the oven. But the bugs are ridiculous up here, so we're just gonna get on our way over. Back down. They have been attacking the back of my knees and it itches a lot. So we're gonna try to keep moving so they no longer are biting me in the alley. So we'll do that. Definitely a little bit weird because there is animals breeding up at the top, and we thought that this trail would get us not around like the closed areas, but get us to here, let's walk so we aren't getting attacked by bugs. But we thought it would get us to a different point where we could hike. But it turns out that we cannot get anywhere higher up. We can't finish the loop. So we are just gonna head back to the car right now because we just did like say close to a mile loop just to figure out that we can't finish it, and there is no other trails that we can hit, so we're just gonna head back to the car, call it a day, and possibly start working on our stuff today. We are basically done. I just want to talk about the oven. This remarkable geologic
oddity has been known by Vermonters as the oven since the late 1800s. Long ago, tremendous heat and pressure forced these rocks to fold into a geologic anticline as the continents collided today. The ovens provides a window into the underlying structure of Ravens Ridge and is a quiet reminder of ancient forces that shaped our landscape.
What you doing? this hike was, I don't even know if I would consider it a hike. We're kind of thinking about just calling it like a nature walk, because there was a little bit of hills, but even walks have hills. So we're gonna call this just like a walk, nature walk through the woods. Don't get me wrong, it was a beautiful, beautiful hike. I really love this. I think this is very cool. Oh, video, but this is my favorite part of the hike walk. What do you think? I think this is the coolest part.
Yeah.
It's just you don't see stuff like this all the time, so when you see it, it's actually pretty cool. But it was definitely a nice hike. Me and Alex are gonna talk when we get to the car about what we rate it, but we know it's gonna be pretty damn low. So we have returned back to the car. Where is she? There she is. We made it back to the car. That hike was insanely easy. We're gonna rate it a 2 out of 10 for difficulty. It was very, very, very easy. There was no actual like difficulty parts in it except for the bugs. That's why it rated a 2 and not a 1. Because every single step we were getting swarmed by bugs, running into spider webs and stuff like that, and it just got annoying. I know for a fact they were chewing up the back of my kneecaps and the back of my knees. That did not feel nice, but yeah. Not the back of my kneecaps, but like the back of my knees. Yeah. Alex is finding it very funny, but she doesn't know she has a little spider on her car.
You have
Boots. Oh shoot, where'd he go? He is on the camera.
Oh.
Hey guys, I have a spider on the camera. Now he's back on the car. He jumped onto the camera. But yeah, very, very easy hike. Didn't take long at all here. I'll stop my Strava so I can get the actual time. After stopping the Strava with some breaks to look at cool stuff, it took us 1 hour and 34 minutes. Total distance is 3 miles, 0.9. And the elevation gain that we made was 602 feet of elevation. And yeah, that's the end of this hike. It was a very good one. We had fun doing it, but that is the end of today's hiking video. See you on the next.